Effective coaches work with their clients on that level. The level just at discomfort or a little bit past that. They're going to push you to set higher goals. Set goals that you may think are unachievable. But eventually you'll get there. Hey guys, Dhru Bee here with 9 Leadership, coming to you with another video, cinema coach style. Today we're talking about the replacements and how it relates to the essence of coaching. The movie is based on the 1980s players' strike of the NFL, where the players refused to play and they had to get scab players, essentially replacement players, to play the games so the NFL wouldn't lose a crap ton of money. Now, it's obviously modernized for the 2000 market, and Keanu Reeves stars as a former superstar quarterback who's essentially washed up at this point. Gene Hackman's brought in as a coach for this team of replacement players, and he recruits Keanu Reeves and a bunch of other misfits to play the roles of players in the Washington, D.C. football team, the Washington Sentinels. Now, that's a different conversation for another day that has to do with the renaming of the Washington football team. I'm not going to get into that, but in the movie, Gene Hackman tells Keanu Reeves in one scene, "When I look at you, I see two men. I see the man you are and the man you ought to be. One day those two men will meet, and they should make for one hell of a football player." This statement alone, this concept, this idea of two people, who you are right now and who you are going to be or can be or have the potential to become, and those two people eventually meeting and becoming the realization of your potential, that's the essence of coaching. That's exactly what every coach aspires to do with their clients, with their players, with the people that they work with. My job as a coach is to work myself out of a job, essentially. If I'm working with someone for multiple years on the same issue, I've failed as a coach. Now, if I work with someone on a limited engagement and then they want to rehire me for a different issue every single time and we end up working together for a number of years, that's different because we're working on different issues and building that person's credibility, that person's abilities to take care of themselves and maximizing the potential over the course of time, one issue at a time. But if we're working on the same issue for a long, long time, I'm probably not doing a very good job as a coach. But the essence of coaching, again, is realization of that potential, helping clients, helping people, helping, in this case, football players, sports figures, to get over their own mental blocks, to understand their own potential, and to realize that potential. When you're working with a coach, an effective coach, that coach will work with you on creating and setting goals for yourself. But then they'll also work with you in pushing you a little past your comfort zone. In the movie, Keanu Reeves is constrained by his own beliefs, his own limiting beliefs. Gene Hackman works with him and pushes him past where he thinks is his stopping point. And he gets out of that comfort zone into a zone where he actually realizes potential and where he inspires the rest of the team to take that entire effort to another level. Now, when you're working with high-performance leaders, that's one thing that you're going to do as a coach. If you're a high-performance leader, if you're someone who wants to maximize your potential, look for coaches you have a fit with, but also for coaches who are going to push you past your comfort zone. Maybe not way past it to the point where you absolutely can't function, but to the point where you're feeling just uncomfortable enough to be growing. Because if you're not uncomfortable, you're not growing. And you always want to be growing. Effective coaches work with their clients on that level. The level just at discomfort or a little bit past that. They're going to push you to set higher goals. Set goals that you may think are unachievable. But eventually you'll get there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you did, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to get notified of future videos. If you have any questions, comments, observations, if you liked the video, if you didn't like the video, if you have ideas for future similar coach videos you want to do, similar concepts, please leave a comment below. I'd love to talk with you guys about that. If you guys get a chance, check out the Replacements. It's a pretty good movie, actually very entertaining. And aside from this really deep message, it's actually just fun to watch. So, take care guys, stay safe.